Hey guys, it's Mike with Riding in the Ozarks, and today we're going to put this on the DR 650. So I got this from a friend of mine. It is used, and he was getting rid of a DR, so he took all of his aftermarket stuff off the bike and gave it to me, or well, he sold it to me as a lot, a whole bunch of stuff. And this is the last thing out of that group of stuff that I have not installed yet. So this is a Rally Shield, I assume, because that's what the instructions say. I don't even know who makes it. It just says DR 650, DRZ 400 Rally Shield installation instructions. We're going to pull the headlight cowl off of the bike, drill some holes in it, put this on the cowl, and then put it all back on the bike. Let's get started. All right, the other day I had a video I put out and there was a Wendy's cup in the corner of it, and somebody told me I should try and get Wendy's to sponsor me. Well, I don't think Wendy's will sponsor me. I doubt Sprite will sponsor me, but if Crown Royal would sponsor me, that would be awesome, because, you know, that Crown Royal apple and Sprite, that's not a bad combination. Besides, if you're gonna operate power tools in the Ozarks, you definitely should have a drink first. I'm actually poking a hole all the way through the plastic. That way the drill bit doesn't walk off, it stays centered on my mark. A nice sharp scribe for something like this, but it works. They say to drill it with a 1/4-inch drill bit. All right, the instructions say not to over tighten those 4 screws into the windshields, into the cowl. They do have a locking nylon nut on the back, so you don't have to be super tight on them. I'm sure if you over tighten them, it'll cause that to crack. I've seen that on windshields before. So I guess the next thing to do is take this thing out on the road and test it. Well, I've had the Rally windshield on for a few weeks now, rode it several times. I definitely feel like it takes more wind off the chest area. I don't know that it's tall enough to take it off my helmet, but I do know if I raise up, I can definitely tell a difference. So I think it is deflecting a little bit of the wind from my face helmet area, but not a whole lot. But I definitely feel a big difference on my chest, which I think will make a difference for long rides. Won't be, if I have to run down the highway for an hour or two, won't feel as fatigued from fighting that wind pulling against my chest all day at highway speeds. So if you have a riding scenario like that, I would definitely consider the Rally Shield. Again, I bought this product as part of a lot of things that a friend of mine was taking off the DR 650. So it's a used product, but if I can find a link to where you can purchase this same windshield, I'll put it down below in the description. And I like it. It's not too big. It seems to do a reasonable job of taking the wind off your chest and everything. And for me, the price is right. I don't know exactly what the price is at the time of making this video because I bought it along with the skid plate, bark busters, giant loops off luggage, all those things. And there are links to those videos in the description down as well if you're interested in any of those other things I've done to my DR650. If you guys like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. If you do that YouTube thing, check out the content on my channel. And if you dig it, hit that subscribe button down below. Don't forget to ring that bell to be notified the next time I drop a new video. And as always, thank you for your support. Stay safe and keep on riding.